Best high-speed DisplayPort to HDMI cables ensure smooth 4K streaming, lag-free gaming, stable audio transmission, and crystal-clear video quality. My today's video is about top 5 best high-speed DisplayPort to HDMI cables that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Highwing's 4K DisplayPort to HDMI. This high-speed DisplayPort to HDMI cable delivers impressive 4K UHD performance with sharp visuals and synchronized audio, making it an excellent choice for streaming, gaming, and professional setups. Supporting resolutions up to 4K at 30 Hz while remaining compatible with 1440p and 1080p displays, it provides smooth and vibrant picture quality with realistic colors and clear details. The unidirectional design works perfectly for transmitting signals from DisplayPort-enabled PCs, laptops, or graphics cards to HDMI monitors and TVs, ensuring stable and reliable connectivity. Its durable nylon-braided exterior, 24K gold-plated connectors, and multi-layer shielding enhance longevity while reducing signal interference for uninterrupted performance. The cable also handles demanding high-resolution data transmission efficiently, though slight chip warmth during use is completely normal. Compatible with major devices from AMD, NVIDIA, HP, Dell, and Lenovo, this cable is a dependable solution for users seeking strong build quality, stable performance, and immersive 4K entertainment or productivity experiences. Now our second product is Zixion's Active DisplayPort to HDMI cable. This DisplayPort 1.2 to HDMI 1.4 cable delivers outstanding 4K visual performance with ultra-smooth refresh rates, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, and professional creative work. Supporting resolutions up to 4K at 60 Hz along with 2K at 120 Hz and 1080p at 144 Hz. It provides sharp image clarity, vibrant colors, and fluid motion without screen tearing, flickering, or lag. The cable also enhances entertainment with support for uncompressed 7.1 and 5.1 digital surround sound, creating a rich cinematic audio experience. Built with premium materials, including a die-cast aluminum alloy shell, durable nylon braided protection, and 24K gold-plated connectors, it offers excellent durability and stable signal transmission even after thousands of uses. The built-in smart chip and pure copper core further ensure consistent high-speed performance. Its plug-and-play functionality makes setup effortless, while wide compatibility with AMD, NVIDIA, Dell, HP, and Lenovo devices makes it a dependable solution for connecting monitors, TVs, and projectors with ease. Our third product is Worky 4K DisplayPort to HDMI cable. The Worky DisplayPort to HDMI cable stands out as a reliable and premium solution for users seeking sharp 4K visuals and stable connectivity. Supporting 4K UHD at 30 Hz with backward compatibility for 1440p at 60 Hz and 1080p at 120 Hz, it delivers crisp image quality, smooth motion, and a lag-free viewing experience perfect for work, streaming, and gaming. Its 5-layer shielding and 24K gold-plated connectors ensure strong signal stability while minimizing interference for clear video and immersive digital audio output. The sleek aluminum alloy shell not only enhances durability, but also provides excellent corrosion resistance with a modern, professional appearance. Built for long-term use, the durable nylon-braided jacket withstands over 16,000 bends without losing flexibility or performance. Compatibility is another major advantage, supporting desktops, laptops, AMD and NVIDIA graphics cards, monitors, projectors, and TVs with ease. Overall, Worky combines strong build quality, dependable performance, and excellent visual clarity at an affordable price point. Now number 4, Ugreen 4K DisplayPort to HDMI cable. The Ugreen DisplayPort to HDMI cable delivers dependable 4K performance with excellent audio and video quality, making it a strong choice for gaming, streaming, and multitasking setups. Supporting resolutions up to 4K at 30 Hz, 2K at 60 Hz, and 1080p at 120 Hz, it provides smooth visuals with vibrant detail and minimal lag. The cable's mirror and extend modes add flexibility, allowing users to duplicate displays or expand workspaces across multiple screens with ease. Its DP 1.2 technology supports high-speed 10.2 gigabits per second transmission and refresh rates up to 240 Hz, ensuring stable, flicker-free performance and immersive surround sound in 7.1 or 5.1 channels. Durability is another highlight, featuring a reinforced nylon braided jacket, aluminum casing for better heat dissipation, and double shielding to reduce interference. The no-buckle connector design also helps prevent accidental damage during use. Compatible with AMD and NVIDIA graphics cards, laptops, monitors, projectors, and TVs, this plug-and-play cable offers reliable everyday performance and premium build quality. And our last choice is BenFi 4K DisplayPort to HDMI adapter. The BenFi 2-pack DisplayPort to HDMI adapter offers an excellent combination of convenience, performance, and durability for users needing reliable multi-display connectivity. Supporting resolutions up to 4K at 30 Hz, 2K at 60 Hz, and 1080p at 120 Hz, it delivers crisp visuals and smooth playback for gaming, streaming, office work, and presentations. Audio performance is equally impressive, with support for uncompressed 7.1, 5.1, and 2-channel sound, creating a more immersive entertainment and communication experience. The adapters support both mirror and extend display modes, making them ideal for multitasking and dual monitor setups. Installation is effortless thanks to true plug-and-play functionality with no drivers required. Built with a lightweight aluminum shell, the adapters provide effective heat dissipation and corrosion resistance while maintaining a sleek, compact design that won't block nearby ports. The no-buckle connector also helps protect device ports during frequent use. Backed by an 18-month warranty, this adapter set delivers dependable performance and excellent long-term value. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.